Hey guys, my name's Rithi. I'm going to be working on my 2007 Subaru Legacy. Pretty much I'm going to document my journey from now forward into getting this thing running. As you see, it's kind of a rat's nest right now, but I want to make sure that I help people that run into some of the same issues that I've run into, or y'all can give me some tips and tricks on what I should do moving forward. But today I'm going to be working on this EJ207 long runner manifold that's on this EJ257 motor. So there's going to be a few little things like I need to bolt on that turbo housing to make sure it'll look good. Everything I'm going to be doing it's going to be in a time lapse, unless if there's something more that I have to explain. Let me know what you guys think. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this, and please like, subscribe, and have a great time.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So these bolts, they don't fit with this this adapter here. This adapter is for the injectors to work on the EJ207 long runners from the regular STi ones, which is that one right there. And so it looks like I have to take the fuel rail off and then the adapters just to make sure it fits, and bolt down the intake. So follow me on this this process. It'll be fun. I need to disconnect the lines here for the fuel rail. I already did on this side and this right here to access it. So, and this is Wesley.